Hello guys, today I've got the Motorola Moto G17 Power and I'm going to show you how to fix the camera blurry photos. The very common fix is to clean the lens, just it. Wipe the camera glass gently with a microfiber cloth, maybe not microfiber but just a soft cloth, and remove any case or lens protector temporarily. Some cause haze or focus issues. So let me remove now the case quickly before damaging the phone itself. And now we should be good to go. Apart from that, tap on your subject with your finger before shooting. So this should, log your focus on your subject, which should, fix the blurry photos. Hold your phone still and improve the lighting. The 50 megapixel camera may use longer exposure in low light, which can blur shots. So use brighten lighting and keep the phone steady. For moving subjects, try more light or use a quicker snap. You can check the camera mode also, but let me unlock at first my device. You can check the camera mode because for everyday shots, use photo mode rather than this high resolution, which is here. If you're using this ultra resolution, and it's worse actually in daily photos rather than this photo mode. 50 megapixel mode can be slower and show motion blur more easily. Try turning off the night mode during the daytime, so try just tapping this one icon over here. So that as you can see here, it's like this. If it's engaging expectantly, of course, you don't really need to manage it like this, but if it's somehow engaging your image, you need to disable it. For close-ups, step back slightly. Many phone cameras struggle with if they are too close. And apart from that, you need to turn off the auto enhancements temporarily. So tap your gear icon here, and they were here somewhere, or they went, okay, it wasn't here. This was this filters, so tap here none. I wanted to find it, but they are here. Tap none here. So apart from that, yes, here Auto HDR, disable here Auto HDR for a moment, just for one to check if it's somehow trying to disturb you taking images. And that should be it. Goodbye.